Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix novel updates links not working. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on. And the first method that you can do is to just check the server status because like every other platform, novel updates all servers also encounter technical issues, and it is possible that you are facing this problem because the server is down or undergoing maintenance or updates. So in that case, the first thing you need to do is to just check the novels update server status, and for that you can use the down detector website to check the current status of the naval update server. And then next is to check your internet connection. So if there's no issue with the novel update server, then you should consider performing the speed test of your internet connection to make sure you have a stable and high speed internet connection. And after performing the speed test, if you find it slow and unstable internet, then you can try restarting your Wi-Fi router or contact your internet service provider. And then next, you can also try uninstalling third-party extensions. So as mentioned earlier, it is possible that you are encountering this problem because third-party extensions conflict with the browser's functionality. So in that case, you can fix your problem by simply uninstalling these third-party extensions. And to do that, just disable all extensions one by one until you find the one that causes the problem. And once you find the problematic extension, you just need to uninstall it. And once done, restart your browser and check if your problem is fixed or not. And then if the problem didn't get fixed, what you can do next is to just clear the cache. So if disabling the extensions does not work for you, then you should try clearing your browser's cache files. So to do that, just click onto the three dots and go to the More Tools of your browser and click the Clear Browsing Data and Clear Cache Images and Files and click the Clear Data button. And after clearing the cache files, just go back to the Novel Updates website to check if your problem is fixed or not. And after that, if the problem persists, then just the last thing you can do is to contact the Novel Updates customer support and report your problem. So the support team will respond to your request as soon as possible and help you resolve this problem by providing troubleshooting step. So that's all for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.